not on Euler's theorem. Suppose you have u which is a homogeneous function in variable x, y and z. Then we have Euler's theorem restated as x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y plus z dou u by dou z equals n times u, where n is the degree of homogeneity of function u. Let's look at an example. Verify Euler's theorem for u equals x raised to 1 by 2 plus y raised to 1 by 2 into x raised to n plus y raised to n. First of all, we have to check whether the given function q is homogeneous. We have u equals x raised to 1 by 2 plus y raised to 1 by 2 multiplied to x raised to n plus y raised to n. From this term, you can take x raised to 1 by 2 common outside, so that it becomes x raised to 1 by 2 into 1 plus y raised to 1 by 2 upon x raised to 1 by 2. From this term, if you take x raised to n common outside, it becomes x raised to n into 1 plus y raised to n upon x raised to n. When you group powers of x together, you have x raised to 1 by 2 into x raised to n becomes x raised to n plus 1 by 2. These terms can be rewritten in this form. These two terms together constitute a function on y by x. Thus, we have u has the representation x raised to n plus 1 by 2 multiplied to function on y by x. Looking at this representation of u, you can conclude that the given function u is homogeneous of degree n plus 1 by 2. Now we have to verify Euler's theorem. Here Euler's theorem is written as x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equals n plus 1 by 2 into u, because n plus 1 by 2 is the degree of homogeneity of function u here. We will evaluate dou u by dou x taking partial derivative of u with respect to x, treating y as a constant. We have 1 by 2 x raised to negative 1 by 2 into x raised to n plus y raised to n plus n x raised to n minus 1 into x raised to 1 by 2 plus y raised to 1 by 2. We have obtained this RHS by applying product rule for partial differentiation on the expression of u. In the entire process, we are treating y raised to 1 by 2 and y raised to n as constant functions. When you multiply x throughout in the LHS and RHS of this equation, we have x dou u by dou x equals 1 by 2 x raised to 1 by 2 into x raised to n plus y raised to n plus nx raised to n into x raised to 1 by 2 plus y raised to 1 by 2. When x gets multiplied to x raised to negative 1 by 2, we get x raised to 1 into x raised to negative 1 by 2, which can be written as x raised to 1 minus 1 by 2, which becomes x raised to 1 by 2. Here, when x raised to n minus 1 gets multiplied by x, it becomes x raised to 1 into x raised to n minus 1, which can be written as x raised to 1 plus n minus 1, which becomes x raised to n here. Now, if you evaluate partial derivative of u with respect to y, treating x as a constant, again by applying partial product rule for partial differentiation, we will get 1 by 2 y raised to negative 1 by 2 into x raised to n plus y raised to n plus n y raised to n minus 1 into x raised to 1 by 2 plus y raised to 1 by 2. In this process, we will be treating x raised to 1 by 2 and x raised to n as constant functions, and we obtained this expression. If you multiply both sides of this expression using y, just like we had this deduction, we will get y dou u by dou y equals 1 by 2 y raised to 1 by 2 into x raised to n plus y raised to n plus n times y raised to n into x raised to 1 by 2 plus y raised to 1 by 2. When you add these two expressions, you get 1 by 2 which is common to these two first terms and n which is common to these two second terms. Thus, we arrive at this RHS. 1 by 2 into x raised to 1 by 2 plus y raised to 1 by 2 into x raised to n plus y raised to n, which is nothing but the expression of u itself, plus n times x raised to n plus y raised to n into x raised to 1 by 2 plus y raised to 1 by 2, which is again the expression of u itself. Thus, we have RHS obtained as 1 by 2 u plus n times u. When u is taken common outside, RHS becomes n plus 1 by 2 into u. By this expression, we have verified Euler's equation or Euler's theorem for the homogeneous function u of degree of homogeneity n plus 1 by 2.